Damn! What's up guys? Today I'm showing some toy gun and let's begin the show. Not talk very really. So first of all guys, I can show you this toy shotgun. This is a toy shotgun. See guys? This is a black red combination toy shotgun. Okay guys, see? And this is the movie. See the bezel area. Wow. This is the silver color bezel area. Okay, this is look like a real toy. This is look like a real shotgun, but not guys. This is a toy shotgun. Okay guys, see? Wow, nice guys. Did you see that? How it works? Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. Wow, nice. Then guys, I can show you another toy shotgun. See guys? This is a toy shotgun. This is a yellow, black, yellow and orange color combination toy shotgun. Okay guys. This is look like amazing. Wow guys, nice. See? Did you see that? How it works? Turn and shoot. It's once more time. Wow. Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. Then guys, I can show you this silver color toy knife. This is black and silver color combination toy knife. Nice guys, see? Wow, amazing. Then guys, I can show you this toy pistol. This is silver and red color combination toy pistol. See guys? Nice.
Oh yeah.
Silver and red color. And how it works? Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. I can show you another toy pistol guys. See? This is another toy pistol. Wow. This is also turn. Turn. And what guys? Shoot. Wow. Nice guys. This two is look like amazing and gorgeous. Then guys, I can show you this toy rifle. This is a sky blue color toy rifle guys. See? This toy can need a batteries. 3 batteries, red and white color. Okay guys? Assemble it properly.
Oh
See?
yeah.
It's needed is extended. Assemble it. See guys? This is also another extended. The pink color extended. See? Wow. Nice. Assemble it. So guys, I can show you now the proper toy rifle. Okay guys, see? Oh wow, amazing. How it works guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.